What's your name? Can you hear us? I'm gonna sing a song. Which one?
Your
Voice recorders?
yeah, get that. Well, you're asking all these questions. We might be missing a whole shitload of shit.
What? I can't see.
Look at this thing. This thing's cool. If you come over here, you can see down the hallway. Look, you can move it in and out. You can stand in front of it and play TV, movie star.
Are you a movie star? Huh? I think I turned it off and it was on.
What is
Punishment.
punishment? You're not being punished for
You're not
anything.
bad. The only person who can punish you is yourself. You've got to forgive and forget. You can do it. You deserve it. You got to forgive. This life is just a journey into the next life. There's a better place.
Look at these things. You guys.
Jewel. Why do you keep saying Jewel?
Might be like a name, like jewelry.
You see the jewels on the angels? You see their jewels? Aren't they beautiful? Don't they look like fairies? You know what their names are? Do you know what their names are? They're really nice. Their name's Michael and Daniel, Ezekiel, Azrael, Ariel. She's like the defender. Gabriel.
You know what these are? You remember, you probably see people running around with these things. You can use them to talk to us, to say yes or no. You can move them back and forth, or cross them.
You see nursery rhyme.
You know this nursery rhyme?
Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Do you know the rest of it? They followed her to school one day. It was against the rule. Make the children laugh and play to see their lamb in school. Are you still here?
Yeah, get nothing.
Huh?
That's okay, get nothing. Alright, let's move down a little bit.
I do not know why, unless they're holding him back. You gonna play?
Don't listen to no mean guys that are here. They're not your boss. That's right.
Is that them?
Mm-hmm. Somebody. There's two of them.
They stop talking.
Oh, look at this.
It's fun. They don't think. It has my arm. Like it's holding my arm. It's okay. Go over there and kick the ball.
Come over here and play.
Look. You can get.
Not that hard. Kick them down. Kick these walls down. Come on.
Miss Mary, knock, knock, knock. All dressed in black.
Those nursery rhymes are so messed up.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't get Humpty back together again. Do you want to kick the ball? What is going on?
It says 3:53 a.m.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why.
Why?
Because it's that time.
I don't know. We still have 5 minutes.
3:53?
Yeah.
Or is it 2:53?
Or 2:53. It's 2:53. Yeah.
Oh, okay, mine's an hour ahead then.
We can write you to transition.
Oh. Can you finish this?
Dun, 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 dun.
Come on. Roger Rabbit.
Yeah.
Shave and a haircut. Go. Talk. Like that. Finish it. Doing it that. Ready?
I have a feeling that they are getting kept against their will. Teeth.
Teeth. What about teeth?
Can you elaborate a little bit? What happened with your teeth? Is it moving? Yeah. I didn't know the way it was.
Come on, kick 'em. Push it. You can use my energy. Go on, don't be scared. You can move that ball for me so I can see. There's a ball.
Can you roll the ball to me? Can you bounce the ball? Can you throw the ball?
Come on. You turn this flashlight off. Want to try to turn this flashlight off?
Come on. Roll the ball. What's wrong?
It's hilarious.
You Begin's hilarious. Coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee. Is she a coffee cat? Coffee cat? We know that game. You know that game?
Start?
They want you to start that game.
Okay.
Start that game.
Start that game.
No.
No.
You stop it.
No, you stop it.
You stop it.
You stop it.
No.
No.
I kick the ball.
I get the ball.
You kick the
Say
ball.
something, baby.
You stop. She sells seashells down by the seashore. Who sells seashells down by the seashore?
Seahorse.
Seahorse don't sell seashells down by the seashore. You sit on this ground, it's like really cold.
You're gonna turn off my light? Go on. I don't know how to.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Na, na, na,
There we go. Turn it on. I'll sit down like that.
Okay.
Go ahead, turn it off for me.
You turn that off? You turn the flashlight off? That big light, you see?
Can you move it? Roll it? Make shadow puppets?
Shadow puppets.
Come on, we can make shadow puppets.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Do you want to make tomatoes? Tomatoes. Don't scare it. What's your name?
Look. Butterfly. Bird.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes? Tomatoes? What's in billboards for? Did you draw pictures?
Who's Julia?
Julia.
This is Julia.
Who the heck is Julia?
I don't know.
What's your name? What's your name? Can you say your name? You want to say your name?
Hurry up, we're getting ready to get to the next level. Turn off his flashlight.
You want to kick the ball? Kick the ball. That's nice.